Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix TeaOnHer app connection error. Firstly, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test and run a speed test to confirm the internet is working properly. Secondly, restart the app. Close the TeaOnHer app completely, then reopen it and try logging in again. Thirdly, try clearing app cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, TeaOnHer, then Storage, then tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data and reopen the app and log back in. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear cache. Also, try updating it. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, then search for TeaOnHer and check if there's an update available. Install the latest version since outdated builds may cause connection errors. And finally, try restarting your device. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.